Hey, are you grinding away in the liquidation game, but struggling to stand out from the crowd? It feels like you're just attracting casual browsers, not the serious buyers who are ready to spend big, right? If you want to explode your bin store or reselling business, you need to stop just posting pictures of your pallets and start creating content that pulls people in. Today, I am sharing the 7 types of content that will completely transform your business and get those serious buyers knocking on your door. First up, let's talk about challenges. What keeps liquidation pros like you up at night? Is it the headache of sourcing reliable Amazon returns? The logistical nightmare of managing huge, messy pallets? Or the constant struggle to maximize your profit margin on every single item? Your job is to create content that directly solves these problems. Think detailed guides, checklists, or videos that address these exact pain points. When you solve their biggest problems, you become their go-to resource. Next, we have how-tos. This is where you get practical and show your audience the ropes. Don't just tell them what to do, show them. Create step-by-step video tutorials on how to turn a chaotic mixed Walmart pallet into pure, organized gold. Film your process for quickly grading electronics or sorting apparel to maximize value. People love actionable content that they can immediately apply to their own business. It builds incredible trust and positions you as a true expert. Third on our list is biographies. Everyone loves a good success story. Find successful resellers or bin store titans in your community or online and highlight their journey. Share their stories of grit, their clever strategies, and of course, their massive gains. These stories are incredibly inspiring and motivating. They show your audience what's possible and create a powerful connection to the industry and to your brand. Number 4 is opinion pieces. Don't be afraid to share your hot takes. What are your thoughts on the latest Target liquidation trends? Do you have an essential, maybe even controversial, strategy for crushing it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay? Sharing your unique perspective sparks conversation, builds a community around your brand, and establishes you as a thought leader. People don't just want facts, they want your expert opinion. Fifth, let's talk product reviews. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so use that to your advantage. Do a deep dive and break down the best inventory management software for resellers. Review different types of pallet jacks, label printers, or shipping supplies. Be honest and thorough. When you help them make smart purchasing decisions for their business, they'll see you as a trusted advisor, which is an invaluable position to be in. Our 6th content type is lists and references. This kind of content is evergreen gold. Think articles or videos like the top 10 must-have tools for bin store success, or a comprehensive guide to the best liquidation pallet providers in North America. These are highly shareable. They get bookmarked, and people will refer back to them again and again. This is how you create content that works for you long after you've posted it, continually driving traffic and leads. Finally, number 7, case studies. This is where you feature your own success stories, and even better, the success stories of your customers. Show exactly how someone took a pallet they bought from you and turned it into a huge profit. Detail the process, the numbers, and the final results. This isn't just bragging, it's social proof. It provides tangible evidence that your methods and your products work, motivating others to jump in and achieve similar amazing results. So there you have it. Challenges, how-tos, biographies, opinions, reviews, lists, and case studies. Creating content strategically isn't just about getting likes. It's about getting serious eyes on your inventory, building your authority in the liquidation space, and driving consistent, predictable sales. It's time to level up your content game. To help you get started, I've put together a special resource for you. Comment the word free guide down below, and I'll send you our exclusive free guide on how to optimize your liquidation and reselling business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.